Welcome back to Balabas Gist. They say that the Funanis, they say these people want to impose Sharia law for Yoruba land. A lot of Yorubas are coming back to their senses, realizing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu predicted that the Funanis is coming after them. As it stands right now, no be small thing. They say that the Funanis are planning to impose what they call Sharia law for inside Yoruba land. And the Yoruba don't come outside, come talk say they will resist it at all costs. Say that can't know if it happen for their land again. But now people come, they remind them that it already wants a Yoruba land and now it belongs to Fulani. My people, we go bring some kind videos come show now, and they're waiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk concerning the matter, and also bring waiting the reply of the Yorubas and other people wait up for them. Just stay tuned and watch the video. Now as our videos they be now, we bring different videos come show you, may you know what thing they happen currently. My people, stay tuned and watch the video from beginning to end.
Where Sharia is in Nigeria today, is there any peace in those lands? No! The 12 states that said they want Sharia. Problem with insurgency. And they don't want to bring that to Yoruba land. We think they will fold our hands. There are Muslims here, there are Christians, there is a festival here. Everybody is here. We are one. And we will not allow that to happen.
Say they are staging the protest to raise awareness against any attempt by certain individuals to impose Sharia against the wish of the people in the southwest.
Ojukwu sat down in Aburi with Gowon and decided that regionalism was the best way forward, restructuring, going back to who you were, 1963 Constitution, 1960-1963 Constitution. Be on your own and pay tax to the central government, as they have in America, as they have even in Britain. Britain, you have Scotland that is almost independent. Wales, the same thing. Everybody is free. But Britain doesn't want the same thing they're enjoying to happen in Nigeria. Why? Ask yourself that question. Anybody telling you about one Nigeria is your enemy? I prove it to you now. Ojukwu negotiated devolution, regionalism. The North will be on their own, the West on their own, even Midwest on their own, and then the East on their own. It's the same one Nigeria. On their way to the airport, before they boarded the aircraft, a call came from Lagos, from the British High Commissioner in Lagos, to Gowon, telling Gowon not to agree. After having signed the agreement, they came back and they said no. Ojukwu said, okay, so you want to continue to kill my people all over the place? No, because of that I'll declare Biafra. Today, they have brainwashed all of you with the perverse notion and thinking that somehow Ojukwu is responsible for causing a war, when opposite is the case.
My people, simple, I don't hear them. And now Yorubas they receive heat for inside their nyash. You don't read though. As it be like this now, they say that the Igbos don't break another history for inside the Brazil. Igbo man now become part of the parliament of Brazil government. You see, when you are pushing people away for the country where you say they be one Nigeria, and they are making their ways into other nations. And let me play this video as this Igbo man they celebrate in victory for winning election in Brazil. Before we come back and continue.
Indeed, I'm so grateful for today's event. To the glory of God, it is a history that was made today, that a Nigerian, in the person of my humble self, Magnus Nnachebe Okadike, a Nigerian, an African, because I can't forget that, in Africa, Nigeria, Igbo land, that we made history here in Brazil today. I contested for election here in Brazil, Municipal Participatory Council, which out of the love, out of the support, out of the kind-hearted of my dear community and my dear loved ones, my family, I can't forget them. They all believed in me, they supported me, and to the glory of God, we won. I did not win, but I said, you won through me, and I'm grateful. And today, I am happy to the government of Brazil for giving us, the immigrants, the opportunity to participate, to contribute, to also support in our own little cadre, and also to hear and give our voice. because they thought it was that immigrants deserves some rights, deserves to participate in the government of their dear country, which we are very grateful. I cannot say anything here without saying my appreciation to the government of Brazil. Thank you, Brazil, and thank you, my fellow immigrants.
My people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, that now the moment where Igbo man become part of the parliament for inside Brazil as a win election, something that he cannot do in the country they claim that they are one Nigeria, something that he can never do there. But the place that I'm not happy here, why did you even carry Nigeria flag? What have Nigeria done for you? Why did you even carry that flag in your hand? That is the only place that I'm against. But however, celebrate your winning for becoming the part of Brazilian parliament. Coach Tunumbu and the brothers no go allow you to be. However, let us jump inside another Ogbonge news. They say one of the Biafra Liberation Army commander, whether they call Holy Ghost, don't come outside. Can't talk one thing. He say that the new plan to buy many people for inside Igbo land or inside the Biafra land right now is by using tanker. When they throw the tanker, many people go rush, when they go take fuel, and everybody go burn yata yata. Abeg, I wan play the video, may you watch before we come back and continue.
Good afternoon, wonderful people of Biafra. Good afternoon, lovers of freedom. I want to use this privilege to give you this information. It's very, very important. Please endeavor to share this information to your brother, your sister, your cousin, your friend, your neighbor, your loved one, especially those who are staying in Biafra land. The enemies of Biafra have strategized different strategies to kill and destroy the life and property in the land of Biafra. And so therefore do not take this information as a propaganda. It's fact and real. Avoid any fuel tanker that you see on the road or anywhere close to your residence. Avoid it. This is the new strategies Fulani are brought to eliminate so many youth or so many lives of Biafrans. Take this information very, very important and share it. Avoid every fuel tanker, gas tanker. Avoid it. They have brought these strategies to destroy lives of our youth. Please, I've seen that some of you, because of the hardship they put you into, you'll be rushing to take fuel, not knowing that you are gambling with your life. It is very risky. Take this information very, very important. Anywhere you see fuel tanker and gas tanker, please give a distance to that tanker. While men on ground are planning what to do in order to minimize the risk of endangering the lives of Biafrans. That is a very important message. In any way, any mode, anyhow, then take on. We are 100 steps ahead of them. I told you that this war is last fight. And in last fight, it have not been easy. Last fight is the most strongest fight, and which means that they will try all they could to stop us. But at the end, Biafra will emerge. Share this message until it reaches everybody. Again, I've told you before, stop working late in the night. Stop working late in the night. Please endeavor to reach your house before 7 o'clock in the evening, because those who doesn't believe that Biafra land is under seal and a serious war will only remember when the enemy of Biafra catch you late in the night, where men are not there to rescue you. Do you know that we cannot be in everywhere at the same time? But in time, I'm here to assure you that all this will not last long. The enemies of Biafra will disappear within 2 months. That is the assurance. Biafra is a project that can never be abandoned. Biafra is a project that must reach its destination. And until Biafra is fully restored, Nigeria will have no peace. They will see no peace. And anybody that combines forces with Nigeria will see no peace. Yes. That is the important message. Stay safe. Stay safe. Stay safe. Stay safe. Be wise. Be security conscious. For those of you who have been giving us information, we appreciate your own effort. That is your own duty. Chukwukika Abiyama will never put us into shame. He will lead us see the end, as he always be by our side. This is the land of our ancestors. In this land of Biafra, believe you me, we go nowhere. We will defeat every enemies of Biafra, and believe me, at the end, all must hate Biafra. They know that we are serious. They know that we are serious, and we are never going to bow down to any pressure. Neither are we going to bow down to any intimidation. We are above that. We will fight this fight to the end. Until Biafra is free, totally free, there will be no peace for the wicked. Share this message and remain safe. The regard from General Butuzo. We greet all of you. Believe you me, your prayer is also needed. Don't fail to pray for men on ground, always and always, because it takes the grace and the strength of Chukwukika Abiyama to fight for humanity. And our ancestors is our strength. And the land whom we have vowed to protect can never leave us alone. Until then, nobody, no enemies of Biafra will see peace. No Biafra, no peace. The earlier they understand this.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I beg may you try to share so that other people go to get the information and know how it they go for this last one. It don't read though. And not forget to see there for Balaba GC here where would they bring you ogbonge news as it they happen. I beg go make you try to share so that other people go know what they happen as well.